Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Postman on Windows to test REST APIs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Postman installer from the official Postman website. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Postman download page. Click on the download button for Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Select your preferred installation directory, or use the default location. Click Install to start the installation. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, click Finish to exit the installer. Postman should now launch automatically. If it does not open, find Postman in your Start menu and launch it manually. On the initial launch, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account. You can choose to sign in, or click on Skip to use it without an account. Once Postman is open, you'll see the user interface with various options. You are now ready to start testing REST APIs using Postman. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.